Welcome to the exciting world of online selling. You're about to embark on a journey that can bring in extra cash and open up new possibilities. Millions of people are already buying and selling on eBay. It's a global marketplace teeming with opportunity. You might be wondering if it's really that simple. Can you really make money selling on eBay? The answer is a resounding yes. eBay provides a user-friendly platform for anyone to become an entrepreneur. Whether you're looking to declutter your home, sell handmade crafts, or launch a full-time online business, eBay has a place for you. In this guide, we'll walk you through every step of the process, from setting up your account to making your first sale and beyond. Get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur and watch your eBay business thrive. But before we continue, if you like this video, please remember to share it with your friends. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then watch some more of our videos. A world of opportunity awaits. Imagine a marketplace where your products can reach millions of potential buyers, all from the comfort of your home. eBay stands out as a giant in the world of online marketplaces. It's not just a platform, it's a global community where buyers and sellers connect seamlessly. With millions of active buyers worldwide, eBay offers unparalleled reach for sellers of all levels. Whether you're a hobbyist or a seasoned entrepreneur, eBay provides a stage for your products. But its vast user base is just the tip of the iceberg. The platform's features and tools are designed to help you succeed in the competitive world of online selling. Why else should you consider eBay for your online selling endeavors? Let's delve deeper into what makes eBay the ideal choice for sellers. First and foremost, eBay is incredibly user-friendly. The platform is designed to be intuitive, even for those who are new to online selling. You can easily navigate through the process without feeling overwhelmed. The platform is designed to be intuitive, even for those who are new to online selling. You don't need any technical expertise to get started. eBay's interface guides you through each step, making the process smooth and straightforward. You don't need any technical expertise to get started. Listing an item is a straightforward process, and eBay provides helpful guidance along the way. From taking photos to writing descriptions, eBay's tools are there to assist you. Listing an item is a straightforward process, and eBay provides helpful guidance along the way. Their resources and tutorials ensure that even beginners can create professional listings that attract buyers. Secondly, eBay offers a secure and trusted environment for both buyers and sellers. Security is a top priority, and eBay's robust measures protect your transactions. Their policies and buyer protection programs provide peace of mind, knowing that transactions are safeguarded. This trustworthiness has been built over decades, making eBay a household name synonymous with online buying and selling. This trustworthiness has been built over decades, making eBay a household name synonymous with online buying and selling. The platform's reputation for reliability and security is unmatched. Finally, eBay empowers you to be your own boss. You have the freedom to set your own hours, choose what you want to sell, and build a business that aligns with your passions and goals. The flexibility eBay offers is perfect for those looking to balance work with other commitments. You have the freedom to set your own hours, choose what you want to sell, and build a business that aligns with your passions and goals. The potential for growth is limitless and the rewards can be substantial. eBay provides the tools and support to help you scale your business. The potential for growth is limitless and the rewards can be substantial. With eBay, you're not just selling products, you're building a brand and creating a legacy. The journey of selling on eBay is filled with opportunities for learning, growth, and success. Getting started on eBay is surprisingly simple. Whether you're looking to declutter your home, start a small business, or just make some extra cash, eBay provides a user-friendly platform to help you achieve your goals. Just follow these easy steps, and you'll be ready to start listing your items in no time. The process is designed to be intuitive, even for those who are not tech-savvy. Head over to ebay.com and click on the Register or Sell button, usually located at the top of the page. This will take you to the registration page where you can create your account. eBay will guide you through a straightforward registration process. The website is designed to make it easy for you to get started without any hassle. You'll need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to choose a strong password to protect your account. Choose a username that is both memorable and reflects the type of items you plan to sell. A good username can help attract buyers and make your store more recognizable. Next, you'll need to set up a payment method to receive funds from your sales. This is a crucial step to ensure you get paid promptly and securely. eBay typically recommends linking your account with PayPal, a widely trusted online payment platform. PayPal offers buyer and seller protection, making transactions safer. You can easily create a free PayPal account if you don't already have one. The process is quick and straightforward, allowing you to start accepting payments immediately. Finally, provide a valid shipping address. This is essential for ensuring that your items reach your buyers without any issues. This ensures that both you and your buyers have a clear understanding of where items will be shipped from. Accurate shipping information helps prevent delays and misunderstandings. With your account fully set up, you're ready to dive into the exciting world of listing and selling on eBay. Start by taking clear photos of your items, writing detailed descriptions, and setting competitive prices. Happy selling! Now comes the fun part, listing your first item on eBay. This is an exciting step where you get to present your product to a global audience. It's your chance to make a great first impression and entice potential buyers with what you have to offer. This is where you present your product to the world and entice potential buyers. Think of it as setting up a storefront in a bustling marketplace. The better you showcase your product, the more likely you are to attract interested buyers. A well-crafted listing can make all the difference in attracting attention and securing a sale. It's not just about putting up a picture and a price, it's about creating a compelling narrative around your product. Start by choosing the right category for your item. This step is crucial because it determines where your product will appear in search results. eBay's vast marketplace is organized into specific categories to help buyers easily find what they're looking for. With thousands of items listed every day, categorizing your product correctly can significantly increase its visibility. Selecting the most relevant category ensures that your listing reaches the right target audience. Think about where your potential buyers would look for your item and place it there. Next, craft a clear and concise title for your listing. This is the first thing buyers will see, so make it count. Think of it as a headline that grabs attention and accurately describes your item. A good title should be informative and engaging, giving potential buyers a reason to click on your listing. Use relevant keywords that potential buyers might search for. Keywords are essential for search engine optimization, helping your listing appear in relevant searches. A compelling title is crucial for attracting clicks and generating interest. The more specific and descriptive your title, the better your chances of standing out in a crowded marketplace. Now, it's time to write a detailed description of your item. This is where you can really sell your product by providing all the information a buyer needs to make an informed decision. This is your opportunity to provide all the essential information a potential buyer would want to know. Be thorough and honest in your description to build trust with your audience. Be sure to highlight key features, condition, dimensions, and any other relevant details. The more information you provide, the more confident a buyer will feel about making a purchase. Remember, transparency is key to building trust with potential buyers. Providing clear, accurate, and detailed information can help you avoid misunderstandings and ensure a smooth transaction. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch more of our great videos. Thanks for watching.